The Nikon Z8 is arguably the best camera Nikon has ever released for underwater photographers. We've never seen so much power in a Nikon camera this small. It's perfect for traveling and will serve you well for many years to come. The Ikelite 200DL housing is designed to perfectly complement the best features of the Nikon Z8 camera. Like all of our products, Nikon Z8 housing is made in the USA at our factory here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Our customer service staff are divers and photographers and ready to assist you at every step along the way. Our materials have evolved to meet the perfect balance between weight and durability. The light gray color keeps your camera cooler on the surface, and the ABS PC blend is lighter than aluminum. Our dry lock DL port line is famous for being the lightest and most affordable line of professional lens ports on the market. We support dozens of wide-angle, macro, and zoom lenses with simple and affordable zoom gears, most running in the $20 to $40 range. Making underwater photography easier and more accessible is core to our company's mission. We recently introduced the revolutionary USB-C charging and data transfer bulkhead, which has quickly become a must-have accessory for underwater photographers. With the Nikon Z8, you can install a large memory card and leave your camera body inside the housing for the whole trip if you want. Attach a compatible USB-C cord to the outside of the bulkhead to recharge at the end of the day or between dives. Controls are ergonomically placed and simple to maintain. We provide affordable service options, including the ability to replace control seals in the field on your own. The low-profile vacuum check valve allows you to check for leaks before entering the water. The clear back allows you to see the camera and the O-ring and gives you a real-time view of what's happening inside. You're most likely going to be shooting strobes with a system of this caliber, and the Z8 pairs perfectly with our new DS232 strobes. Our circular flash tube design is often imitated, but never duplicated. Add the DL1 DS-Link TTL converter to quickly switch back and forth between manual and TTL strobe operations to make sure you never miss a shot with the wrong strobe settings. You won't regret upgrading to the Nikon Z8. Get your housing today directly from us or your local authorized dealer.